Hello guys and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk about one of the most important topics in bioinformatics, and I welcome all the bioinformatics students and biology students to my YouTube channel Biomedic Zubair. First of all, I would like to introduce myself for the new students that my name is Zubair Kasser and I'm a biology lecturer at Standard Girls College, Sialkot, Pakistan. So in today's lesson, I am going to show you that how you can download gene sequence and protein sequence by using NCBI Bioinformatics database. So let's dive into the lecture. So first of all, what you have to do is to write NCBI. NCBI is a database, is a very famous database. All the biology students who deal with the research, they often use this platform to to do their research, because it is a very huge database that you can use to extract information, download different articles, and perform different use different softwares, do different analysis and stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how you can actually download your gene sequence and protein sequence by using NCBI tool, which is a National Center for Biotechnology Information. NCBI stands for National Center for Biotechnology Information. So as you can see that this is a very rich platform. On the left hand side, you can see that NCBI home resource list A to Z. So all resources are listed here: genomes and maps, homology, literature, protein, sequence analysis, taxonomy, training and tutorials, variation. And on the right hand side, there are a list of popular resources: PubMed, Bookshelf, PubMed, Central, BLAST, Nucleotide Genomes, SNP, Gene, Protein, and PubChem. So there are multiple things what you can perform on this platform. But in today's lesson, I'm going to tell you about how you can download the gene and protein sequence in FASTA format. And in the next videos, I'm going to make more videos on bioinformatics, because a lot of students, they want me to make more videos on bioinformatics topics, that how they can use bioinformatics tool to gather information, to extract data, and to do their research. So so that's why I would like to say you that please subscribe to my channel, so that you can take maximum advantage of this precious knowledge, and so that you can next time you can find me on YouTube very easily. So consider subscribing, I will appreciate that. Okay, so now let's do it. So you will have to click on that, and then this window will open up. So you need to select the protein. So you can see that I have selected this protein icon. Okay, so here, whatever gene you are interested in, for example, if you are interested in amylide precursor protein, or you are interested in some other gene, so whatever gene you are interested in, you will write the name of that particular gene here, or you can also write the gene ID and stuff like that. But more easy form to find any gene is to write its name easily. So I will write APP. APP stands for amylide precursor protein. So I will click search. Okay, so here you will see that APP amylase beta precursor protein has emerged here. Okay, so these are its this particular protein is also known as A beta, ABPP, AD1, and much more. There are many different names. Okay, so there are multiple options available here if you want to explore those. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how you can download gene and protein sequence. So all you need to do is to click here. So I have just clicked on APP amyloid beta precursor protein, which is a very important protein in human beings and also in some other organisms also. So here you can see that I have clicked on APP amyloid beta precursor protein Homo sapiens human. So here you will see that a lot of information has emerged now: official symbol, official full name, protein source, C related ensemble, gene type, and its function also, and summary also. Okay, so where this gene is located, location number 20, chromosome number 21. Okay, so here, so it's a a lot of information is available on this particular protein. Okay, so now what you have to do is to click on that download datasets. If you want to download only gene sequence, then you will select this one, gene sequence, which is already selected here. If you want to download protein sequence also, then you will also select protein sequence in FASTA format. So I want both, so I click gene sequence also and protein sequence also. Now I will click download. So you need a very good internet connection in order to download your files. Okay, now you can see that file app dataset has been downloaded and it's ready. I have just opened it. Okay, now you can see that I have opened the file and our file is ready. So in both the cases, in gene and protein sequences, both files are downloaded separately in one folder, which is a zip folder. So you will, when you will open zip folder, then you will find both the files, 1 and 2. So this one is the gene sequence one and the previous one is the protein sequence one. So you can find both the files. It and see. Now you can see that NCBI dataset has been downloaded. I will click on that. So this is how you will download your data. So I hope that my today's lesson you have learned a lot of new things. So if you want to learn more stuff about bioinformatics and biology, then please consider subscribing to my channel. This will change your life. This will help you learn biology and bioinformatics more comprehensively. Sometimes it happens that students forget to subscribe to my channel, and once they when they watch my video, and next day if they are looking for my video, then they can't find it because they have not subscribed it. So I want you all to subscribe my channel so that you can listen to my video lectures time and time again and learn more comprehensively. So till the next video and video lecture, I will see you in the next video. So till then, it's Zubair signing off. Thank you very much.